Think your toolbox has everything you need? Think again. These 16 new tools are smarter, faster, and seriously useful, and they could completely change the way you work. From clever hand tools to powerful innovations, number one might be the upgrade your toolbox has been missing. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 16. Tracer Prescribe Woodworking Scribe Tool. Its deep-hole pencil reaches into tight spaces, while the Precision Guide helps you trace accurate lines around edges and irregular surfaces. The set includes 6 2.8mm lead refills, plus a convenient holster and protective case. Built for carpenters, woodworkers, and craftsmen, it's the simple tool that makes measuring, marking, and cutting more accurate. Number 15. Elian Self-Centering Dowel Jig. Its elongated jaws and extra-wide clamp handle boards up to 6.7 inches wide, while the aluminum alloy body provides solid, precise positioning. The self-centering design keeps your drill holes accurately aligned, and the included 6 drill bushings give you versatile sizing options. Whether you're building furniture or tackling detailed woodworking projects, this jig makes strong, professional-looking joints faster and easier. Number 14. Maxbauer 4-in-1 Scaffold Ratchet Wrench. The Maxbauer Scaffold Ratchet Wrench combines a 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch socket wrench, claw hammer, pry bar, and nail puller in one rugged design. Perfect for scaffolding, construction, renovation, woodworking, and home repairs, it helps you switch between tasks without reaching for another tool. Compact, versatile, and built for demanding jobs, this 4-in-1 wrench is a serious upgrade for any toolbox. Number 13. CZI Cordless Caulking Gun. Powered by two 2.0Ah batteries, its electric drive delivers controlled dispensing while the auto-retract function helps reduce dripping and mess. The built-in LED light improves visibility in tight spaces, and the included 9-piece caulk remover set makes cleanup and old caulking removal easier. Perfect for sealing bathrooms, windows, kitchens, and construction projects with less hand fatigue. Number 12. Saker 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tool. This handy kit combines grout removal, sealant scraping, and joint finishing in one compact tool. The durable stainless steel head helps remove old caulk, while the finishing scraper creates smooth, even seams around bathrooms, kitchens, sinks, floors, and windows. Simple, reusable, and easy to control, it's a must-have for anyone who wants cleaner caulking results without the mess. Number 11. WRX 20V2-in-1 Reciprocating Saw and Jigsaw. The WRX 20V2-in-1 reciprocating saw and jigsaw switches between cutting styles in seconds, with a 3/4 inch stroke length for fast, controlled cuts. It comes with 4 blades for different materials, while the compact, lightweight design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. With the battery and charger included, this PowerShare tool is perfect for DIY projects, repairs, woodworking, and home renovations. Number 10. Bosch GKF 18V25 and Colt Palm Router. Its brushless motor delivers cordless power and smooth, precise routing, while variable speed control lets you match the tool to different materials and applications. The compact palm design provides excellent control, and the included dust extraction system helps keep your workspace cleaner. Perfect for edge shaping, trimming, and detailed woodworking, this bare tool brings professional precision without the cord. Number 9. Schwer A4 Airskin Work Gloves. Their ultra-lightweight 18-gauge design gives you excellent dexterity, while cut-resistant material helps protect your hands during demanding jobs. With a reinforced thumb, strong grip, breathable fit, and touchscreen compatibility, they're built for precision work, gardening, fishing, and more. Lightweight protection that doesn't slow you down. Number 8. M35 Cobalt Step Drill Bit Set. This M35 Cobalt Step Drill Bit Set features 19 precision steps, covering sizes from 1/8 to 1 3/8 inches. Built for stainless steel, hard metal, aluminum, and even wood, these heavy-duty bits help you drill and enlarge holes without constantly changing bits. With 2 versatile step bits in the set, it's a compact upgrade for any toolbox, workshop, or DIY project. Number 7. Will Toe Alignment Toolkit. This Will Toe Alignment Toolkit makes quick front-end toe checks easy at home. The durable stainless steel toe plates use dual tape measures to compare wheel spacing accurately, helping you spot alignment issues on cars, trucks, and SUVs. It's compact, simple to use, and perfect for DIY garages, home mechanics, and anyone who wants to keep their vehicle tracking straight. Number 6. Astro AI H2 Pro. The Astro AI H2 Pro cordless tire inflator delivers fast, convenient inflation for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. Its dual power design lets you use the built-in battery or 12V DC power, while the digital pressure gauge and auto shutoff help you hit your target pressure without overinflating. Compact and portable, it's a must-have for your car, garage, or emergency roadside kit. Number 5. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband puts powerful magnets right on your wrist, giving you a convenient spot to keep screws, nails, bits, and small metal parts within easy reach. Its adjustable, comfortable design helps keep your hands free while working on repairs, woodworking, construction, or DIY projects. It's a simple tool that can save countless trips to your toolbox and makes every job a little faster. Number 4. Works WX255L4V Cordless Screwdriver. Its innovative 6-bit cartridge lets you keep multiple bits loaded and switch between them in seconds. The built-in screw holder helps keep screws positioned while you work, making awkward repairs much easier. Compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, it's perfect for furniture assembly, home repairs, and everyday DIY projects when speed and convenience matter. Number 3. Nonway Cordless Paint Sprayer. The Nonway Cordless HVLP Paint Sprayer makes painting furniture, cabinets, and home projects much faster. It comes with a large 1,200 milliliter container for interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns for more precise coverage. Plus, you get 2 rechargeable batteries, so you can keep working without being tied to an outlet. Whether you're refreshing cabinets or giving furniture a makeover, this sprayer helps create a smooth, professional-looking finish with less effort. Number 2. Gulu A312V Jumpstarter. The Gulu A312V Jumpstarter handles both. With a powerful 3,000 amp boost, it can jumpstart compatible gas and diesel vehicles, while the built-in 150 psi air compressor quickly inflates tires with automatic shutoff. Add an integrated LED light for emergencies, and you've got a compact roadside rescue kit in one device. Keep the Gulu A3 in your trunk. You never know when you'll need it. Number 1. Berserker 65H Jackhammer. The Berserker 65H SDS Max Demolition Jackhammer packs a massive 1,700-watt motor into a heavy-duty 25-pound design. With variable speed and vibration control, you get better control while breaking through concrete, pavement, tile, and other tough materials. It comes with 2 chisels and a carrying case, making transport and setup simple. For medium to heavy-duty demolition jobs, this jackhammer is built to take on the toughest work.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.